So, how to fix Facebook Messenger message requests not showing? First thing, guys, open settings, go to the apps. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger and click on it like this. After that, click on Force Stop and then click on Storage. Click on Clear Cache and Clear Data. When you click on these options, click on Data Usage right here and make sure to enable all these options from the mobile data into the roaming data. Go back and now click on the power usage details and click down here on Force Stop. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.